Forms allow you to collect lead information and add them to your email list. You can use the ConvertKit platform to create forms that your users can fill out. These forms can be used to collect data about leads, contact information, or anything else that you want to gather from them. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, we will learn how to create a form using the ConvertKit tool. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so let's get started. In this SOP, we are creating a form and we will start with a simple contact me form that you can also get started with for your WordPress blog. So all you have to do is either click on quick actions from here. You can go to create a new form, or you can go to grow and get your page from here for forms. So what I will do is I'll go to quick actions and form. Great. So in order for demonstration in this particular SOP, I'm going to go ahead and click on the inline form format that we will have. You can choose any of the formats that you like. You can experiment a little bit with your forms and see how it turns out on your WordPress blog. All right, let's see. Choose a template that you like. I'm gonna go with, oh, I like this template. I'm gonna go with the Reno template that's right there. All right, so very simple, nothing out of the box over here. All you have to do is go to general styles. If you want to change the background picture, it's right here in the background. You can select that. Either you can upload a picture from here, from your desktop if you already have one, or you can click on Unsplash from here and you will get some really cool pictures. So let's go ahead and get this particular picture. You can decrease the transparency or increase it according to what you like. It's your form, you edit it as you want to. Now comes the important part where you will add another field. Now email address over here is by default the required field. You cannot change that since you're collecting the leads, right? So what we will do is we will also add the name here. So we clicked on the plus sign from here and this field got added. Click on the field, custom field. In the right hand side, you will click on first name and it will start appearing. Now, I want to keep this field as required because I want the names of the people, of the leads that I'm collecting. So we'll keep this as required. If you want to change the font color, the border color, up to you. You can go ahead, edit it as per your need, customize it as you like. I will, however, add one more field, and this field will be named as message me. All right, so the custom label for this field would be message me, whatever they want to message me. Of course, they'll be free to do that. And over here, I'm just going to write contact me for your digital marketing queries. And of course, if you want to put something right here, receive tips or newsletters or whatever, feel free to do that. I would like to just delete this particular field altogether. Yep, so I think that's done. We're good to go. You can change the name of the form from here. I will just write contact me form. Perfect. So this looks good. I don't think I need to do anything else. If you want to change the color or if you want to change what's written over here, you can do that as well. Yeah. All right. I think we're good to go. Now, all you have to do is click on save and publish it from right here. Once you get to publish, what you would want to do is go to WordPress and copy this particular form and paste it in either your WordPress blog post, if you want to keep it in your blog post, or create a new page and paste it on the page itself. We already have an SOP on how you can go ahead with this particular process. And I'm going to just list the SOP right here so that you can go ahead and check that out and it will become very easy for you. And that's it. We have successfully created, saved, and published a contact form on our ConvertKit account. Hope this particular video helped you guys create a form according to your need. If you want to learn how you can put this form on your WordPress blog post or page, go ahead and check out this particular SOP. If you have any suggestions, feedbacks, or any other video that you would like to see on the Learn Today channel, feel free to go ahead and put that on our comment box down below. And of course, if you want to learn about the steps on how you can add the ConvertKit plugin and connect WordPress and ConvertKit together, the steps are mentioned in the description box. Go ahead and hit on that like button, subscribe button, along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.